Hi everyone, it's Jodi. I'm excited to tell you about my free card kit in the mail for February. It is featuring the Daffodil Daydream bundle. So if you have our latest mini catalog, which just started last month, you'll want to look at page 37. There is a 7-piece cling mount stamp set. So what that means is that all my pieces are out because I've been playing, but you've got the rubber and the foam. You mount it on your acrylic block, and it's got coordinating dies. There are 24 dies. There's so much that you can do with this bundle. I actually kind of had a hard time narrowing down which cards I wanted to use for my card kit, but I figured it out. I've got them designed and ready to share with you today. So the way this works is really simple. When you order the Daffodil Daydream bundle and use a particular host code, you're going to get a package in the mail from me that's got the supplies for you to make the 4 cards I'm about to show you. It's that easy. Now, why I'm encouraging you, this offer goes through the whole month, but I'm going to encourage you to place your order sooner rather than later, because in our celebration brochure, this promotion that goes through the end of February, we have this Daffodil Afternoon designer paper that coordinates with the Daffodil Daydream bundle. And you can get this free when you order the bundle. But it's only through the end of this month, and it's only while supplies last. So I would hate for you to go to order the bundle later in the month only to realize that this is already sold out. So if this card kit interests you, I would jump on it right away so that you don't miss out on the free coordinating designer paper. So you've got lots of ideas here on things you can do with the bundle and paper. You've got ideas here in the mini catalog, plus what I'm going to show you in the card kit, plus some other cards. Remember how I said I had a hard time deciding? I've designed other cards too that I'm going to be sharing with you over the month. So this, to me, is a great investment because it's got a lot of flexibility. It's got a Happy Mother's Day greeting and an Easter Blessings greeting. Both of those are pretty unique in that they're not stamps that you use all the time. But what's nice too is that you can substitute in any other greetings you have. On this one in particular, they just used a die cut thanks. But if you've got a happy birthday or a thank you or thinking of you or sympathy, you can use those greetings with this stamp set too. And you can use these 2 greetings with any other stamp set you might have. So very versatile, but it's always nice to have a Happy Mother's Day and an Easter Blessings in your collection of stamps. Okay, are you ready to see the cards? I am ready to show you. Let's start with this one. So this one says Easter Blessings. Excuse me. We've got some designer paper here, here, and here. So there are 3 different patterns of designer paper. A little label here. This image is this one here that's stamped, colored with blends, the alcohol markers, and then die cut. We've got some vellum on that circle, the little butterfly embellishment, and then some linen thread. I love this card. Also, a little bit of a unique way to cut the pieces of the designer paper at that angle rather than just a straight cut. So that's the first one. Let's do this next. This is a pocket card. So this piece comes out. This is where you would stamp your greeting or write your note. It's just a piece of designer paper folded in half, and then that little flap folded down. There's a couple different ribbons on there. And then this is where I use the dies to build that flower. And then it's just attached right on, right on the, there we go, right on the part that folds down so that you can easily pull that piece in and out. All right, here's the next one. This one I created a frame with some designer paper, stamped the image with 3 flowers, colored it with the Stamp and Blend alcohol markers, die cut it, stamped, colored, and die cut the little butterfly. There's that little splatter on the background. That's this image down here. And then, of course, the Easter Blessing. So that frame is raised up. I'm not sure how well you can see that. The black frame is raised up on Stampin' Dimensionals, too. And then this one. I may have saved the best for last. This is a little like... oh gosh, there's a name for this type of fold, and it totally just escaped me. Nonetheless, it's still cool. So this has a little belly band. First of all, stamped colored die cut, little label here, the little gold butterfly embellishments. This belly band is going to slide right off. And then when you open it up, you've got the stamped image on the inside too. So this is just a really special card. I really like this one. So again, when you order the Daffodil Daydream bundle and use the host code that I provide, you're going to get supplies to make all 4 of these cards in the mail from me for free. You'll also get an email that's got a PDF tutorial. So it's got photos of the cards, step-by-step instructions. You just provide your own ink. I'll give you a list of everything that you need, the Memento Black ink, the Daffodil Delight Stampin' Blends. I'll tell you all the colors. There's 3 different colors. And anything that you need to create the cards as shown. You can modify them as desired. You can add other things to your order. It doesn't have to be just the items for these cards. And just keep in mind, like I said, right now it's celebration. And so for every 50 you order, you get to choose something out of here for free. But I wouldn't wait. I'd get on it early just to make sure that this coordinating designer paper doesn't sell out. Okay, so I'm going to get off of this video and go create an event that's got all of this spelled out for you, has the link to shop, has the host code that you need to use, and hopefully answers any other questions you have. If there is something you're not clear about, go ahead and comment here or contact me privately. This offer is for the entire month, but like I said, I don't want that designer paper to run out. So I would strongly suggest, if you want this kit, that you place your order early in the month. Select the Daffodil Afternoon designer paper as your free item so that you can continue to make gorgeous projects like this. All right, so look for the event soon. I'm going to sit down and put it together right now. And I think that is it. All right, have a great day.